In today's video, we're talking about a kid's storybook that has made over $202,800 in passive income. I'll guide you through creating a similar business from coming up with the story idea, making the main content, to creating awesome illustrations, all using the magic of AI technology. If you want to learn how to make money while you sleep, stick around till the end because I've got some valuable info you won't find anywhere else. I found this cool idea while browsing on Amazon for ways to make money without doing much, and then I found this product, which is a storybook for kids. If you would search for this keyword, Storybooks for Kids 2023 on Amazon, you will find that the competition is very low. I was shocked by the numbers these sellers are making by selling simple storybooks. For example, take a look at this seller at Etsy. This book got 980 ratings, and if we multiply that by $26.33, which is the product price, you'll find out that this seller has made over $25,800 in just 2.5 years, averaging almost $900 per month. Let's take a look at another example. This seller is selling book about captivating tales from history at Amazon. This book got 125 ratings, and if we multiply that by $11.90, which is the product price, you'll find out that this seller has made over $1,450 in just 1 month. You can clearly notice all of them are generating a lot of consistent reviews, so the potential to make money in this category is limitless. The craziest part is that you can publish these books 100% free, using Amazon KDP. So without further ado, let's get started. As you know, to create a good storybook, you first need to come up with a good story idea. So, I asked the ChatGPT to generate a title for kids' storybooks between age 4 to 8. To be more specific, I wrote, it should be something about 2 friends. I also instructed ChatGPT to give me 30 titles to choose from. As you can see on the screen, it generated me 30 titles. From these titles, I would choose title number 17, which is Pirate Playdate, Captain Jack and Lily's Treasure Hunt. Now, that sounds like a very exciting story. Then I again asked ChatGPT, what's the story about? It came out that this story is about a thrilling and imaginative tale that follows the exciting adventures of 2 young friends, Captain Jack and Lily, as they embark on a swashbuckling pirate playdate. Now, the next step is to create the story outline. So I asked ChatGPT to create chapters pages outline. As you can see, it has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes the scenes in detail. Chapter 1, Setting Sail. Chapter 2, Pirate Preparations. Chapter 3, The Map Unveiled. Chapter 4, Obstacle Island. Now, as all chapters are generated, we need to make a rhythm story for each chapter. For that, I would simply ask ChatGPT to write a rhythm story along with each chapter name provided. You can clearly notice it has provided an outstanding story. You can do same to all chapters, and it will only take a few minutes for you to realize that you have a complete story ready to be converted into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything yourself. For generating chapter scenes, we would be using free AI tool called Leonardo AI. This is a free image generation AI tool, where we give it a prompt and it will generate an image for us based on the prompt you will give. Remember, for scene generation we would be keeping photoreal and alchemy option turned off. This will take less credits and you can generate a lot of images in the free option. Also, the dimensions would be 3x4, and the model that we would be using is Dream Shaper version 6. For the prompt, I have simply copy-pasted the first part of chapter 1 from ChatGPT into prompt box. As you will hit generate, it will take some time to generate the images. You can clearly see on the screen it has given me an outstanding result. To upscale the generated image, simply avail the HD Crisp Upscale option. It will take 5 credits, but trust me, it's worth it. You can repeat this process for other chapters too, until all images are generated. To add text to images, head to canva.com and create a blank template. The size should be 6 by 9 inches. After that, upload all the AI-generated images to Canva. Then you can simply grab your initial image and drop it into the template. Resize the image according to the canvas. After that, go to ChatGPT and copy the first part of chapter 1 and paste it on top of your image. You can now adjust the text as you like. You can change the color, the font style, add shadows, and much more. Once you've finished, click here to make a copy of the template. This will save you plenty of time because you can now insert new images and text while keeping the same style. Next, just repeat this process for all the chapters in your book. Once you've finished, save the book as a PDF and get ready to print. Congratulations, you've successfully created your first storybook. To design a book cover, first we need to choose the book size. To do that, I would be checking my competitors' listing. You can clearly see on the screen they are using a size of 6 by 9 inches. After that, go to Google and search for Amazon KDP Cover Calculator. Open the first link you see on the screen and fill in the required information. When you have filled in all information, click on Calculate Dimensions and then Download Template. After your template is downloaded, open the PDF file and copy the dimensions you see on the screen, and then head to Canva and create a custom design with the dimensions you got from the template. Once you are inside the template, simply drag and drop the dimensions PNG file in your canvas and resize it, so it fits perfectly according to your canvas. Now, let's focus on creating book front and back cover. For book cover creation, I simply asked ChatGPT to write a prompt for designing book cover followed by book name. I also specified to write 2 prompts, one for the front cover and one for the back cover. After taking a while, it generated me outstanding prompts for book cover creation. I simply copy-pasted those prompts into Leonardo AI, and after spending some time, these are how my book covers came out. Once your both covers are ready, simply upload them both on Canva and drop them over Dimensions PNG file. Resize them also so it fits perfectly according to your canvas. At last, check if your design fits correctly, and if everything looks fine, download the cover as a PDF print. Simply search for Amazon KDP and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, your dashboard would look something similar to this. After that, simply click on Create and choose your book type. Mostly paperback books are being sold on Amazon. On this page you need to fill in all the details related to your book. Once filled, move on towards Category section. Once you have chosen the category, enter keywords related to your book. Then click on Save and Continue. This step is about the book content. Begin with the print ISBN. You can choose the free option. Then, decide on the print style, whether black and white or with color. Make sure the trim size matches the template you used in Canva. Next, add the pages of your book here, and right below that, add the book cover. Once you've added everything, click on Launch Previewer to see how your finished book will appear. If everything looks good, click Approve and then press Save and Continue to go to the last step, which is setting the price. After your prices are finalized, click on Publish. The Amazon team will review your book. If everything is okay, they will give it their approval. That was the end of today's video. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like the video, a subscribe and like to the channel would be great. Till then, bye.